Hi ladies, and welcome back to Dip Nails and Wigtails. In today's video, I'm just gonna kind of get ready with you guys. I'm gonna show you how I put my wig on for the day and makeup, and something new that I started working on, so you won't want to miss that. And also I'm going to be doing a giveaway, but let's get into the video. So I started making something new. This is my new sports wig that I made myself and that I will be offering to make others. This is how it looks. You can wear it up high, you can wear it in a bun, a pony, because it is sewn in circles. I made it with wig grip because y'all know I like some comfort. It's adjustable back here via Velcro. I can do the same colors that I do in my hat hair, so there is a range of colors. But anyway, so if you are interested in getting a pony wig made, my contact information is down below. You also still offer hat hair, but I just wanted to let you know. It's my 18th wedding anniversary, so I'm not really doing anything but at home, but I want to look pretty for the day. This is not an infomercial, I promise, but if you have aging skin, acne, or anything like that, or if you're in your 30s, you should start thinking about skincare. I wish I'd have started earlier. I highly recommend Curology. And what Curology is it's like an online dermatologist. You send pictures, you video chat, or talk on the phone with a dermatologist. They figure out what you need, what your skin needs. Mine has something for acne. I really cannot pronounce that. Has tretinool for aging, and then the acid for, you know, it's skin turnover, skin cell turnover. But anyway, you get this every other month. This is a large bottle. It's 20 bucks a month. Highly recommend it. I want to show you a new foundation I found. I think really any age could use this, but it's great for aging skin. This is It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend trying it. All the other foundations always separated on me really soon or just sat, and you could see my pores. I love this stuff, so I'm gonna be putting it on. It is a bit warm for me. I got medium warm 32. This is my usual color with them, but it blends well. But I think just from not being out in the sun the last month with all the cloudy weather, my skin's gotten a little pale, but it works. I use light sand just because I'm like one of those weirdos that likes my under eye to look lighter, which this lighting is going to make it look worse. I always match my eyebrows to what the root coloring is on the wig I'm using. This wig has a darker root, so I'm going to do a darker eyebrow. I am no professional at all, and honestly I did not even get into makeup really until I was like 33 when my daughter got into makeup. She's now almost 16 and is way better at makeup than I ever thought about. Now I have two setting sprays that I love. Rose Gold Mist, it gives you like a little glow, and then I like the Tarte Ready Set Radiant finishing spray or setting spray. I like them both, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. Make sure my ear tabs are straight, check it, make sure that's where I want it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some alcohol. I'm gonna wet the end of a Q-tip and I'm gonna clean off the exact area. I'm gonna put my glue. I need to move that hair. Okay, just let it lay there. Now I'm gonna get it. I'll probably dip in here twice. I'm gonna circle it. And oh, now you can hear my dog licking. Alrighty, take your paper, your fan, whatever. Let it get a little tacky. It don't take but a few seconds. And this is like the only part I ever glue. I know I've showed you this a few times, and I'm also going to show you how I remove it tonight when I take it off. Okay, so you're gonna take, don't ever use your finger because the oils could make it not stick, and I'm just gonna kind of go down. Now, I'm sorry, you can hear my dog licking. He gets this little tick. I'm fixing to put him out, and he'll just start licking for no reason. So you put it right there, kind of angle it, make sure it's a little tight there. and just wait. I'm gonna put the dog out real quick. All right, now while that is drying, I will do my mascara. And then when I do, I just roll. Okay, it should have been a few minutes. We're gonna check the weave. It's what I use to loosen up any glue that may have gotten under there. I'm not brushing the actual lace or anything like that. I can do my oil and take my satin nectar. Just one pump, and I do this every time. Just one pump. Rub it in my hands real quick. I'm just gonna focus it at the ends, and I'm not trying to rub too hard in the beginning. And remember, never get oil near your lace or anything like that. Won't fly away, so there isn't really any oil left. And again, have I told you guys how much I love this wig? The cap, everything about it. It's the Fully Hand-Tied Deluxe. I do have a review on it. It is gorgeous, and if you have a sensitive head, it is comfortable, but it is only lace front from like here to here. So if you like to pull your hair all the way up, probably won't work for you. And if you don't have any bio hair, then you can't blend, so you can't really pull it all the way up. But I never really do. Most of the time I'll be like this, like wear it behind my ear or something like that. Now you're gonna take your setting powder, a little brush. Whoops, get a tiny bit. Make sure you always go back over, not too much. My line, this is a double mono top, and it loves powder. It makes it look so good. Because you can see just a few, like a minuscule amount of the knots at the transition. That's it. And if I fast forward through anything that you were interested in, you can just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be glad to answer your question. Okay, this is all I do to take it off. So at the end of the day, you can tell my makeup looks rough. So I take my makeup eraser. It's microfiber. You can use that, or you can use a soft cloth, anything like that. Or you can use these little ones. I like these little discs. You know, they're meant for your face. This was the exfoliate inside in the microfiber. I just run the warm water, and it's pretty wet. And I just press it and let a little bit of water get on there. And I kind of lift the hair some. It's already coming loose, and just let that water get up under it. I used to just do like a little spray bottle, and then you just slowly lift it. Don't pull on it because you don't want a chance ripping your lace or anything like that. And that's it. See, you can see the got to be. And I did like put a lot on it because I didn't want it to go off today. So I just take it and I rub it with the water, press it. I don't know if you can see that. And it comes right off. I just literally tap it. I mean, you're never going to get it all off until you wash it, but I don't ever worry as long as there's no buildup. You may see like a little white cast, but that's about it. I haven't had to brush this thing all day. This is what the back looks like. So, and I've had it on, I don't know, 7-8 hours, a while, but it got most of it off. A lot of that you see is the setting powder that I put in there because I'm just weird and I like this, the way the setting powder looks. I hope you can see that. Okay, about the giveaway. I'm giving away 2 of my hat hairs. Brown to blonde balayage and the blonde I wear, which is the ash blonde with dark lowlights. They are Brazilian human hair. They do naturally dry with a little wave curl, so you can wear them curly also. And how the giveaway is going to work, when I reach 500 subscribers, and I'm almost there, I'll give away the first one, winner's choice. When I reach 1,000, I'll give away another one. And if something happens and the second winner wanted a brown instead of a blonde or a blonde instead of a brown, I think I do have enough extra to make that happen. So that is a possibility, but I can't guarantee it. How do you enter the giveaway? Just like this video, comment down below your first pet. If you've never had a pet, maybe an animal you've had outside that really wasn't a pet, maybe a cow, or just an animal that you like. So don't forget to comment down below. That's what's going to enter you in the giveaway. As soon as I get to 500 subscribers, I'll give away the first one, and I'll announce it in the video, you know, according to what comes next. And then as soon as I get to 1,000, I'll give away the second one. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That's it. It's easy. Hope you have a great weekend. Thank you for watching.